Hello and welcome to the DEVintersection Virtual Workshop Event. I am Chris Gibbons. I will be presenting the Azure Security Workshop, where it's a two-day workshop. We're going to focus on a bunch of different security features inside of Azure, focusing on the concept of assuming a breach has occurred. As we can see in the latest news, such as Twitter, that we had a hack by a 17-year-old. More social engineering, but at the same time, things like Azure AD would have helped catch some of those things, as well as other items where individuals have taken advantage of stealing credentials and then encrypting content, and then those folks having to pay $4.5 million to get that data back. As part of this workshop, we're going to look at all the various tools such as Azure Security Center. We'll go deep into it in terms of its log analytics, the solutions that drive it. We'll also take an even deeper look at security utilizing machine learning, and we'll take a look at Azure Sentinel and notebooks and how we can utilize that to do our hunting. I'll give lots of different examples of how we've combated, me personally, over the last 6 months, different bad actors, state actors, also random individuals trying to attack Science resources. And so on behalf of DEVintersection, we look forward to seeing you, as well as a lot of thanks to Microsoft for helping us out, and look forward to seeing you there and teaching you all about security.